back with Carolyn Grant. Carolyn, what is this term warehousing, logistics, and fulfillment? What does that mean?
Well, it means something that you and I and everyone around us does practically every day. We buy stuff. And who gets it to you and how? That is what it means.
Okay.
A lot of companies these days, they outsource their fulfillment of products when they sell products. So somebody else is holding onto those products in a warehouse, storing them,
Gotcha.
and then figuring out the logistics of getting that product from them to you.
Okay, so I just bought a brand of workbench called the Joburg's Workbench, a $2,000 beautiful workbench.
Oh my gosh.
I ordered it from somebody, I think, in Illinois. And the company that's supposed to deliver it to me has been dropping the ball getting it to me. And I'm calling the person I ordered it from, and they're saying the local contractor is having problems, I guess, with the fulfillment. So that's what you're talking about.
Oh, yes, I am.
Okay, and I'm getting frustrated with, not with the person who made the bench and sold it to me, although I've threatened to cancel the contract or cancel the order, but my frustration should be with their subcontractor. Is that right?
Well, but ultimately, the person that sold you the bench, to the company that sold you the bench, they're responsible because they contracted with the outsourced provider.
So is that what you talk about when you're talking about logistics fulfillment?
Yes.
Okay, so how does that work its way into your contracts as a business attorney?
Well, I've had two clients in this industry so I've got about 8 years of experience in it. And what I do for these clients, what I've done and what I do is that I create contracts for them, contract forms, and then negotiate those contracts, revise the terms and update them, and also review contract terms for them. So that's like the heart of what I do, but also for those clients, I've also done contract dispute resolution, contract management, litigation management, and a whole host of other things, warehouse leases, you name it. The first company that I did work for in this industry, I worked for 4 years. It was a public company. I was outside counsel for them for 4 years. Public company with 1,200 employees. They ultimately sold their company. And I'm presently working with a company in the industry with 300 employees that's private equity owned.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, but what are the terms regarding logistics fulfillment or are there contract terms, or are you just working with companies that do this? Can you clarify that?
Yeah, I work with companies that perform these services. This is what they do.
Okay.
And then a lot of the work I do for these companies has been contracts, historically.
All right, well, thank you for explaining that.
Oh, welcome. Thank you.